Okay, so we might record that when you need no allowed to job. Right, so we would like to and drawn a right angle triangle, mark them as LNA against LNB. Now, LNA, short of the image, working to the texture is the angle of elevation. Okay, so short angle, so dimension Ln R2. Okay, so curvature shown is the same calculate the angle of elevation against the linear actor, which is Ln nation nation. So A should an Ln R2 against B should an Ln E3. Okay, so these to that are the jigging shift. Okay, now there's a couple more. I'm speaking myself, Archer.
Maar zit er zo zaken? Ga je gewoon naar
What's a jacket? Well, primarily the salt from OJ.
Get the book, but I think just could be think camera like into far into like.
Camera. Right. Very much sharp at your camera. A little bit like it's not, but much up when you there. You set up to wall what is there. But it just near the vehicle for your camera over the pointer she's a whiteboard, so I'm just try them already have to set on for your track and shipping, okay? So the race, so the Triantán are going to show LNA, LNB, show Ln R2, show Ln E3. So measurement the angle of elevation against the angle of depression. Okay? Now, there's the marker of Triantán, marker of going hypotenuse. Now, marker lock QA, Marhamp, more lock Ln A, so show an opposite against an adjacent. So raise to the formula screen. So screen is going to sine cos against tan is going into an origin. Against that Ln A has going course a cosmos O hell another hour of algebra. Okay. Now what we go to Ln B obviously kite O against A swap al hat. Okay. So the we require to Ln B kite O against A swap al hat. So it is Hocklas equals sin A or sin B cos B against tan B cosmos against a tamsham it is the right kind of O hell another hour of algebra what we could when you clear B the shock holiday adjacent against the shock holiday opposite. Okay? Well, then you okay, lesson. Okay, and then it's just a matter of the out the grain test. So, you know, just to wide head the way. So, our next frame is right angle triangle. Okay, I guess you make one short, you make 2 square root of 3. Okay, I guess come just Ln A. Okay, now, so with the right angle triangle, we're going to make correct the sin A, cos A, and tan A. So the sin A, well, test when you sin A, kind of a hypotenuse of Bruno. Show the opposite, I can show the adjacent. Okay, so it is what the opposite adjacent kind of H of Bruno is with Pythagoras theorem. So test when go dot carn A plus square root 3 carn A, cosmos H carn. So you have K plus 3 cosmos H carn A, that's when it's called H cosmos square root sharp. Okay, so the majority is square root sharp. Because ocean is from the same cos of tan is being more. So testing for sine that Ln A cosmos O hell, so O is going to H, so it's going to square root sharp. Testing for cos the A cosmos A is going to H, so it's in square root 3, it's going to square root sharp, which the cosmos square root 3 is going to sharp. Okay? I guess we can journal testing but tani codna O helena door of algebra so in do is can square root 3. Okay? I guess the reason you that's no stand the calculation land ln a of Bruma. Now, when you quarter ln a, for example, to like can be even true. I guess that's good. What sin a codna do is can square root chart. Testing equal a codna very much the same fraction. It's quite the on the inverse sign. So you have to sin a codna do is can square root chart. So the a equal to codna sin to the minus 1 that do is can square root chart. I guess we shouldn't stand the calculator. I guess we just did the element. Well, then you be added some supplementary. Well, then you be added some supplementary calculator to the heart.
Is that 2 over square root 7?
2 over square root 7, yeah.
49.1.
49.1 degrees. 49.1 degrees. Okay. So obviously, we're going to start cos A is going to square root 3 is going to start due to 49.1. It's going to start tan A that is going to square root 3 due to 49.1. Okay. To rot the other American to or the North terribly. Now, American to say or the North terribly early in at 3 Jake. Chapter 2, so American to the lower tablet early in a 3 J concern. I'm going to add the Shinika. So early in a 3 J, chain 2, we're in a digit tablet. I guess when you saying like 30 degrees, 45, 90, and so on. I guess that's good Jane angle at down when you're saying cos, I guess 10. So these just a go to Ableton tablet in the year. We're in a digit games in degrees. I guess in radians. I guess, for example, marking through the low tablet, check to equal cos A, x 0 degrees cosine he, like 90 degrees cosine 0, I guess like k dark degrees cosine luji like 30, 45 over 60, square root 3 over 2, 1 over square root 2, I guess he is going to do. So these tasks go to what the cos A, cosine he is going to do, task equal in ln like shaska degrees on tablet. Okay? Well, I have a okay lesson. Okay, so these just pass image, I guess in with grandchestney just beginning Master Hassan, I guess my initial grandchestney now show exercise cardiac punch dog. So just how much cheese, Jimmy Kestaheen, Jen Kestaheen dog is 3, Jen Kest 3 jig, cardiac, I guess quidjig, I guess in Shin image archic fee, I guess fee dog. Motion okay? So it is, you know, that just when you add the calculator, because that cost 18 degrees brew equals, I guess she's correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, now in your calculator, think of my long calculator reading. So what's the file? Right, so Kurmasha in Wala and Yoke in the Kashmir Journey. So he dot 3 J cardiac quidjig, archic fee, I guess fee dot. I guess Kurmasha and breakout room for category. Okay, so marking to our test piece of to cos A, cosine a dask in the quick. For A at their 0 against 90 degrees. So testing because the A at their 0 against 90 degrees, testing goes on the Triantán drawn a lot. I guess the quarter saying okay, so folks are cost A doing so what the end do is for honey cashew, Tan de Triantán against Corsha ln A. Now to shin jantagut, Markle shot the hypotenuse, the opposite against the adjacent. Okay. Now, as the sin open test open equal cos A quadrumla O hell A is John H. Test function will cos A quadrumla adjacent is John and the hypotenuse. So test function is ocean test function will H quadrumla quick. Test function will H quadrumla quick. I guess will A quadrumla dog. Okay, so you're looking at O of the mark. So this is with Pythagoras theorem. So testing for quick carry here, quadrumla dog carry here plus O carry here. So you have to face a quick quadrumla K here plus O carry here. Next testing for O carry here quadrumla face here. So the O quadrumla square root face here. So pre carry square root face here. Now, next question, okay. The majority is square root face here. I guess the chance is correct to sin A. So to sin A, quadrumla, I guess the least O have. O is can H. I guess the majority is screen tasking equal O and as quadrumla square root face here. It's can H, shin a quick. I guess shin if regular when you catch face it. Okay. Would you like to okay lesson?
Moisture.
Yes.
See just the regenerascreative squared fihin gin a vertifusion.
Quick.
Alright, okay. Come on.
Oh, quick, right, because in the hypotenuse, you should quick and show. Okay, so shin the square root, so the K quadrumla fihin, I guess the M quadrumla quick. Okay, and shin to what kern and shin for your physical, quick, shape. So shin for your ball, so Tan de Triantán, mark shot the H O agus A. It goes at the formula and shin plus the sin A when you catch physical have shin O agus H, so we got the O agus H in the star. Because a Pythagoras theorem over ma it's three can overlog it. I guess the data and saying cost and time species and shin ocean. Ocean okay, Jana?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so check for myself more. Oh, margin more at the screw to a so, but you online or margin, you can say, I guess, chucking scrutinies, yeah, well, much is a horse in the wrong. Was it okay?
Yeah.
So, screw to a capital hinge, I guess, dojik. So, sensible compass exam or the good because be constructions like Jenny. Like Jerry screw to time factor dog, I guess, Koroguma or River. Okay, just pass on can journal. Okay, check for myself or margin.
Come on, what's your son?
Okay.
Am I good?
Moisture.
Fine.